This is a fascinating fact about the blanket octopus, Tremoctopus, specifically highlighting the extreme sexual size dimorphism in this species. Here's a deeper dive into the details. Key points. Discovery of male blanket octopus. Discovery of male blanket octopus. 1. Males were first identified in 2002 because they are exceptionally small compared to females. Scientists initially overlooked them, likely mistaking them for juveniles or other species. Size discrepancy. Size discrepancy. 2. Females can grow up to 2 meters, 6 feet, long, while males measure just 2.4 centimeters, 1 inch. A difference of up to 40,000 times in mass. This is the largest size difference between sexes known in the animal kingdom, surpassing even deep-sea anglerfish, where males are tiny parasites. Why such a difference? Why such a difference? 3. Reproductive strategy. Males invest energy in producing sperm rather than growth, as their sole purpose is to mate. They die shortly after reproducing. Female adaptations. Females use their large size to carry long, flowing blankets of webbed tissue, which they can detach to confuse predators, like the Portuguese man-o'-war. Behavior. 4. Males use a specialized arm, hectocatellus, to transfer sperm to females, which store it for later fertilization. Females are pelagic, roaming open oceans, while males likely have short lifespans focused on finding a mate. Comparison to other species. Anglerfish. Males fuse onto females but don't exhibit such extreme size differences. Peacock mantis shrimp. Females are larger, but only by approximately 10 to 20%. Scientific significance. This extreme dimorphism underscores how divergent evolutionary pressures can shape sexes differently. The blanket octopus remains poorly studied due to its deep-sea habitat, leaving room for further discoveries. Here's more about the blanket octopus, Tremoctopus, covering its biology, behavior, and evolutionary quirks. 1. Biology and physical traits. Sexual dimorphism. Sexual dimorphism. 1. Females reach up to 2 meters, 6 feet, in length, with 4 elongated, webbed arms that form a blanket used for defense. They weigh up to 40,000 times more than males. Males. Tiny, approximately 2.4 centimeters, 1 inch, resembling plankton. They lack the iconic webbed arms and die shortly after mating. Defense mechanisms. Defense mechanisms. 2. Detachable blankets. Females can release their iridescent webbing to distract predators, e.g., seabirds, fish. The tissue continues to ride, acting as a decoy. Chemical theft. They rip tentacles from venomous Portuguese man-o'-war and wield them as weapons, one of the few animals immune to their toxins. Chromatophores. Like other octopuses, they can change color for camouflage or communication, though this is less studied in blanket octopuses. 2. Reproduction and life cycle. Mating. 1. Males use a hectocatellus, modified arm, to transfer a sperm packet, spermatophore, to the female's mantle cavity. After mating, the male dies. The female stores sperm to fertilize eggs over time. Eggs and offspring. 2. Females carry up to 100,000 eggs in a sausage-shaped strand, which they guard until hatching. Larvae are planktonic, drifting until they mature. Females die after brooding. 3. Habitat and distribution range. Found in tropical and subtropical oceans worldwide, Atlantic, Pacific, Indian Oceans, typically in open water, pelagic zone. Depth. Surface to approximately 200 meters, though they may dive deeper to avoid predators. 4. Evolutionary mysteries. Why such extreme dimorphism? Why such extreme dimorphism? 1. Energy allocation. Males optimize for speed, to find mates, over size. Females invest in egg production and survival. Predator pressure. Large females evade predators with their blanket, while males rely on stealth. Unanswered questions. Unanswered questions. 2. How do males locate females in the vast ocean? Possible clues. Pheromones, bioluminescence. How long do females live? Estimated 3 to 5 years, but unconfirmed. 5. Cultural and scientific impact. Pop culture, nicknamed the Dracula octopus, for its flowing cape. Research challenges. Rare sightings make them difficult to study. Most data come from accidental catches or stranded specimens.